자, for Java. 여러분 Java가 뭔지 아는 사람. Who knows what Java is? Java sucks. Okay, I said explain. It's slang for coffee. Oh, coffee. drink. 또 뭐 있는데? Anything else you guys think of Java? Java 하면은 초콜릿 생각나지 않아? Don't you guys think about chocolate? Java 하면 여러분 뭘까요? 자, so building material 아닙니다. 비전공자도 합니다. No, there's Java 있어요. Java 초콜릿 아닌가? Island in Indonesia? 야, 봐봐 있잖아. 아, 진짜 이 사람들아. Oh my god. Hey, I know I'm not five-head. I always like meme that I'm five-head, secretly not five-head, but hey, don't make me snap my fingers in a Z formation. Oh shoot, that was so college, high school. Yeah, anyways. 네, 여러분, 자바라는 그 프로그래밍 언어에게 Okay, it's a programming. 아, Star Wars 캐릭터도 있네. There's a dance? 이거 춤도 있어? What's the dance? What's a Java dance? Java 하면 또 게임 생각나지 않아요? Isn't there like a game related to Java? So, in reality, guys, what Java is, 여러분 Java가 뭐냐면 it's a class-based 클래스랑 object-oriented 죄송합니다. Programming language that is designed to have a few implementation dependencies as possible. 그치? OOP. 그래. 이게 OOP. So, if you guys want to simply put it, where do you guys use Java the most? Help me, programmers. Java 제일 많이 쓰는 곳 여러분 프로그래머들 도와주세요. 우리 비전공자들에게도 설명드려야 되니까. Guys, TMI guys. Can we get a TMI? I think I've gotten fat recently because I've been biting inside my mouth. 여러분 입안에 살이 쪄가지고 계속 앙 하는데 여기 입안을 너무 씹어대고 있어요. 아, 나 큰일 났는데. I need to lose weight, guys. 그 와중에 푸시업해서 더 죽는 거 봐. 앙. So it's supposed to let application developers intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere. Oh, that's a nice way to say it. Write once, run everywhere. 네. 오케이? 자, 그래서 so Java application are typically compiled by bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine, JVM, regardless of the underlying computer architecture. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but the few low-level facilities that either of them, but has lower facility, low-level facility. Okay. Why are you laughing? You have a problem with me saying C++? Do you guys say double plus or just C++? Why did they name it C++? Instead of just saying like, oh, not 뿔뿔? Why not C 뿔뿔? You guys have... It makes sense, right? Yeah, please say C 뿔뿔. Oh, 죄송해요. Okay, it's an operation. 알겠어요. Does it sound cute when you say C 뿔뿔? Guys, it's actually C++. 자, so anyways, as of 2019, so last year, 2 years ago, sorry, Java was one of the most popular programming language according to GitHub. 진짜? Oh, it was one of the most popular programming language according to the Facebook of programmers. So, yeah. Particularly for client-server web application, considering it's being phased out, oh really? With a reported 9 million developers. Wow, 9 million developers on Java? So let's learn history. History부터 여러분 배워봅시다. So James Gosling 오빠. 자, James Gosling looked like this. 이분이 랑 Mike Sheridan. Is that how you say Sheridan? This oppa, he is named James Gosling. Like Ryan Gosling, right? Are they related? 그다음에 마이크 Sheridan? 아닐까? 그러니까. Oh, it'd be nice if they were. 그다음에 Sheridan? Thank you, Handel. Sheridan and Patrick Naughton. Ooh, like naughty. Patrick Naughton. Like Newton, but Naughton. Oh! Benda, thank you for gifting Mr. Pirate a gifted sub. Welcome, Mr. Pirate. Don't forget to put your push-up up there, too. 그 다음에, so they created this in 1991. Wow, it's not that long. So it was actually originally designed for interactive television, guys. But it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at the time. Oh, really? Interactive television? I feel like it would be something that's, you know... Yeah, they say interactive television. What would be an interactive? So I guess maybe, yeah, maybe it was like live streaming Twitch. No, I feel like it would be like live streaming on television, live in 1991, where we can interact with viewers. So what Handel said, like Twitch? Really? Really? They didn't let me click on it. You can explain. 자, the language was initially called Oak. Oh, really? So Java was actually initially mentioned of Oak. Because of the oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. 야, 너무한 거 아니야? Oh, really? In 1991? You got a picture of him in your office? Okay. I'm not judging Tuneless. 자, later the project went by the name Green and was finally renamed after Java from Java Coffee, a type of coffee from Indonesia. Oh, you guys were right. 그러니까. That is so interactive TV is what the hell is this? Able to surf? 아, 그러네. Oh, that's true. So Java's mascot, they actually have a Java's mascot named Duke. Ooh, that is an awful picture. It's actually, so it's actually looks like, sorry guys, it's actually supposed to look like this with a hand. And like he's on his side, and then there's like a red circle. And then his hat, he has like a hat that's black. 이런 느낌? Oh! It's like Among Us! Damn! 그러네. 그래서 Gosling designed Java with C and C++ style syntax that system and application programmers would find familiar. 자, the Sun Microsystem released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in 1996. It promised write once, run anywhere functionality. So this is actually a functionality. WORA, guys. Remember WORA. Providing no-cost runtimes on popular platforms, fairly secure and featuring configurable security, it allowed network and file access restrictions. Major web browsers soon incorporated the ability to run Java applets with web pages, and Java quickly became popular. So then Java compiler was rewritten in Java by Arthur Van Hoff to complete strict with the Java 1.0 language specification. 자, with the advent of Java 2, new versions came out, blah blah blah. Oh, really? James Gosling inspiration for creating Java came from his trip in Asia? Oh, really? He said it was originally intended to for the interactive television. 자, and then they worked hard. You know, they made they released Java Virtual Machine as free and open source software, FOSS. Oh, guys, we heard about FOSS. 여러분, FOSS라는 것도 유명한 거. 이거는 free open source software. 아, 이런 게 다 여기서 나오구나. They have all these big terminology. I heard about FOSS software, but I never knew the intention. Under the term of the GNU General Public License on May 8th, 2007, Sun finished the process making JVM core code available under free software. 그래서 결국에는 in the end, James Gosling resigned Oracle in 2010. 그러네, Oracle. When did they buy Oracle? When did Oracle buy them? 아, 여기구나. Sun's vice president Rich Green said the Sun's ideal, okay, not like SON guys, I'm talking about SUN. 여러분 SUN 얘기하고 있습니다. Sun's ideal role with regards to Java was an evangelist. Oh, really? Following Oracle Corporation. So I think around 2009, Java went inside Oracle. Roughly, overall. And then 2010, Gosling said bye-bye, and in 2016, Oracle announced that Java runtime environment based on JDK 9 will discontinue their browser plugin. Longer? They didn't really have, in the article, in the thing that I'm reading, they didn't really have a specification that they went into a place. So I'm getting pizza. Oh, pizza sounds so good. Yeah. True. Honestly, 2009 is a long time. Top principles. There were 5 primary goals in the creation of the Java language. Who knows the 5 goals? Anyone know the 5 goals? Anyone really love Java to say the 5 goals? 자, goals of creating. 자, one simple object oriented oh, why am I writing this so small, guys? I feel like it's smaller than normal. And familiar. Oh shoot. There's an R. Two, it needs to be robust and secure. 다음에 three, architectural neutral? What is that? What is that? And portable. What is architectural neutral? Architecture neutral. So free of writing any sorts. Top 4 is execute with high performance. 근데 all the rules kind of seems. Yes! Oh, this tonight! Oh, I thought, okay, when you say 2 a.m., I thought it was like, you know. No. Sorry guys, I got sidetracked, but I was supposed to, I thought, so, oh, thanks for the shout out. So oh, really? Cause I thought I read 2 a.m. Apex. But then I was like, she said tomorrow 2 a.m. So you know what I mean, Iris? I was like, okay, today is today. So I should have like specified asking like in couple of hours, right? So no. It's totally fine. Yeah, I will specify on Discord. Anyways. And then the fifth one is that they should be interpreted, threaded, and dynamic. What? What? Yeah, I'm reading this and it sounds basically the same thing, you know? They seem like, yeah, apparently. Are they dynamic? So in your guys', for people who have tried the JavaScript, what do you guys think about their 5 primary goals in creation of Java's language? Like, which one is like, oh, are you like joking me? Which one do you think is kind of like... So it seems that we have like Java lovers and Java haters, so I want you guys to like fight so that you guys can chat more, so that like on my graph, when I like check it out, like the chatters would be like skying to the moon. So fight! Round 1! Fight! Which one do you think is not A or B? 하세요, 여러분. Guys, taking my time. Are you guys fighting? Okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with this dude. Yeah, fight. So it seems that Hasha programmer, yeah, I haven't used Java enough either. A compiler wouldn't need interpretation? Why? Okay, can we start from what is a compiler? 야, 컴파일러가 뭐야? Compiler, answer, what is compiler again? OOP? 이게 OOP예요? 이렇게 되는 거구나. So an OOP technically doesn't need to be interpreted? Really? Environment to code? Oh. Really? Your interpreter is when your computer reads your code as it runs. Oh, really? Compiler is when your code is ready, already planned out before you try running it. Whoa. Ah, 그러네. Cause when I remember how when I did Java, guys, I remember where I had to there was the main code, and then there were the side codes, and in the main code they called off these areas so many times. So when you wanted to run a sector, it was kind of confusing. You just had to do very little. So if you had to do group work with this, it was impossible. 맞니? Am I saying the right thing, or am I just BSing? 자, compiler is what compiles the code to machine code. Okay, compiler takes your code and transforms it something your computer can run. So an interpreter can be fed code that breaks. A compiler will usually catch error. It's called erroneous error codes. Faju, use easy word for me before you can run it. Oh, okay. Erroneous. Oh, thanks, Dot. That's so sweet. Erroneous. I learned a new word. That's all I need to know, guys. Oh, really? So Java usually gets errors with syntax. Oh, because logic you're writing it? Yeah, I remember Java was... I'm trying to read off something fun about Java too. Java is so old. Hey, don't diss Java. It's such a cute language. Hi, arigato. Guys, so as everyone remembers, this is the most famous Hello World version of Java. 여러분들이 제일 좋아하는 Java의 기초적인 Hello World 프린트입니다. Okay, you technically don't need this. 자, Hello World. 여기서는 이제 I'm making a class. I will explain to non-programmers how this works. 이거 아니까. Error means missing bracket. So you're creating a class called Hello World App, right? And in the class, you are going to you want to create a static void main with strings as an argument. And what you're trying to do is you're calling out system, you're printing out, right? You see the println, you're printing out a line using your system saying hello world. And you close the bracket and it does. 자, one thing I liked about Java is to comment on the thing, you use 2 dashes. So, are you learning Java? No, I'm just learning the history and then the top layer of Java. So honestly, Java is one of the most, I think, organized looks of code. 내가 코딩을 한 것 중에 자바가 제일 깔끔했던 것 같아요. So I've done Python, Java, and everything, and I think this is the most cleanest. Because you have to, you know that a class, you know that you know all the different classes on the code. So I like Java, right? So I agree, Java looks neat. Is that code correct? Is that saying main is taking an argument? Yeah, okay, 여차비님. You can't cut any more of those glasses. So this is Java. Anything else I want to learn about Java? Let's see, I'm reading through. 아, 이거 재밌겠다. Guys, criticism of Java. So there's criticism. Are you Python certified, Arigato? But it says criticism directed at Java includes the implementation of generics. Generics? What are generics? Oops, 죄송해요. So generic, implementation of generic, speed, and the handle of unsigned number. You cannot have multiple inherents in Java, which can make things tricky. Yeah, they say speed. And the number and the implementation of floating point arithmetic. Sorry, I just had like, yeah. And history of security. Are the biggest issue of JavaScript. Oh, really? No, why do you think they say speed? I'm putting. Why will Java always be slower than C++? So they're comparing. The article is comparing Java with C++ on why it's slow. Did I say JavaScript again? Sorry. I gotta stop that. Yeah. Allow you to design code that can work on multiple types. Shush. Allows you to design code that can work on multiple types, which is set at compile time. You can only inherit from a single class. If you want to add multiple behaviors, we rely on interfaces. Java is compiled by bytecode, then interpreted to JV. So it's like two-step process. You can write code that could handle int or float based on how it's defined. 그래서 they had issues with numbers because like int and float, very similar, right? 더블도 있다. That's true. 진짜 더블도 있고. 그러네. Handling of unsigned number is this, right? I wonder why they have so much of like int, 뭐시기저시, blah blah blah. So use outside the Java platform. The most famous one should be Android, right? Because the Java language is a key pilar for Androids. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. So although Android is built on a Linux kernel, which is written in C, the SDK of Android uses the Java language as the Android SDK, uses the Java language as the basis for Android application, but does not use any of the standard GUI, SE, ME, or other established Java standards. Oh really? Kotlin? Ah, the bytecode language supported by the Android SDK is incompatible with Java bytecode and runs on its own virtual machine. Really? Optimized for low memory devices such as smartphone and tablet computers. Depending on the Android version, bytecode is either interpreted by the Dalvik virtual machine or compiled into native code. So if I were to make an app using Tweety, I would have to use Java, right? 앱을 개발한다고 하면은 자바를 사용해야 되겠는데? 오키도키, 오키도키요. Is that true? Yes, not have to, but highly used. So most of the apps that I've been creating, or people have been creating, are made with using Java, right? 아, Kotlin이 뭐야? What is Kotlin? Ah, Claude, you mentioned Kotlin along with Nathaniel. Guys, sorry, this is another TMI, but you know. Okay, so Nate is. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Nate is Nathan, which also can be Nathaniel. Oops. Are they the same, like, origin? Oh, sorry, Nate. Sorry. Really? Is it formal? But where they get Nate from Nathan? They just take out the E in the end? Oh really? Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. That was such a TMI. Oh, H in the end, sorry. Anyways, going back. So let's look what Kotlin is, guys. Kotlin. Guys, if you guys have really interesting, can't remember seeing a name. Wow, is it Kotlin? So Kotlin, it's another language구나, 얘가. Oh, is this another programming language? But works with Java. What is JetBrain? What does JetBrain mean? Kotlin is equivalent to Java, but better. An easier way, and funner. Question mark? Okay, that's a U. I'll just put one. 잠깐만. Wait. Sorry, I suddenly. Oh, sorry guys. I suddenly got totally off topic. But I have to check something. Oh my thing got moved back another day? What? 잠깐만, I'm so confused. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyways, let's talk about colon. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. I totally got off topic. 자, 죄송해요. Sorry. 미안합니다. Sorry. I had technical issues. 자, so colon, guys. Groovy is a party boy. What is party boy? Why do you guys have to create? What is jet brain? 뭔 jet brain도 있고. Party boy? What is party boy? 야, 이거 다 뭐야 이거? Are you supposed to party hard or something? 파티하는 거야? Did I miss the parties? Are 뚜치 빠지? Put your hands up. Okay. So there's a bunch of other things that you can program using Java, or other thing that works with Java, right? 아, 이거 회사예요? I'm Mr. Blue. 아, 겟브레인은 회사. 아, 이런 게 회사구나. 아, 오케이. 오케이. works with JVM. 그러네. 그러면은 Java is the language구나. 얘도 language, this is language, but to run the Java programming, you need a JVM. 이거야? 오케이. Right? 맞니? Programmers? Bingo? So there must be other language that can run on JVMs. So you're saying Java is one of them. Kotlin, JetBrains, Party Boys. Dude, is JVM like the new club? 야, JVM 클럽 같지 않아? Dude, oh, Party Boys. Ooh. Has to compile to the Java bytecode, right? They make. 여기는. 이게 회사라고. This company. 자바 코틀랜드 랭귀지인데 구글에서 안드로이드 개발로 자바만 쓰다가 오라클에서 저작권 때문에 코틀랜드로 쓰기 시작했다고? 인싸머리님 프로그래머시구나. 앱 개발하시는 거예요? C++ doesn't need. 오, 멋있는데? 저희도 앱 개발해주세요. Okay. So if you wanna create an app, actually it's better to use Kotlin than Java. 앱 개발하기 위해서는 코틀린이 더 낫다는 소리네. Also, is Kotlin free? 이거 공짜인가요? Is Kotlin free? Guys, it's such a messy. This is why Jinri doesn't take notes. And this is Oracle, right? Java, if you want to use Java, it's Oracle. Hi, Illy. Are you a computer engineer? 개소리님, 제가 컴퓨터 공대생이었으면은 이런 거 알지 않았을까요? 생긴 것만 오늘 패션만 공대생처럼 입었어요. 저는 산업공학과예요. I'm industrial engineer. 산업공학과 때 제가 지금 앱 프로그래밍 만들고 있어가지고. Tuneless. Sorry. Tuneless. Shut up. 개소리. 한국에서 공대는 체크 셔츠예요? 이거 안 입어요? 나 체크 셔츠도 있어. I also have check shirt, guys. 원래 두 개 나눠 입어요. Hi, Emma. 아, 해줘야지. 아, 다 있지, 여러분. 이거는 학교 갈 때. 저 공대 여신이었어요. 야, thank you, secretary. 공대, 감사합니다. 공대 여신이라 불러주시면 됩니다. 공대 여신 진리라고 해요. 반갑습니다. 어서 오세요, 인사거리님. Okay, guys. So let's so that's all for Java. 여러분 이게 자바의 끝입니다. 맞아요. 원래 저 IT 여신이에요. People call me IT goddess. Any question about Java? 여러분 자바에 대해서 질문하고 싶은 거나 원래 프로그래밍 할 때는 이걸 입고 학교 갈 때는 이렇게 입는 겁니다. 안 그렇습니까? So, any questions? 여러분 질문 없어요? When should you use Java instead of C++? That is a good question, guys. When? 자, I will repeat the question, guys. That is a good question, guys. When should you use Java? Java instead of holy cow. Yes, Mr. Blue Raven, thank you for stalling the time for 5 gifts to song. 야, 감사합니다. 구독 5개 해주셔서 감사합니다. 감사해요. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wait, I have to do my e-girl, guys. 잠깐만요. 감사해요, 감사해요, 꾸꾸까까. Okay. I apparently am changing to e-girl. 여러분, 저 좀 이런 것도 좀 해야 될 것 같아서 너무 내가 You're back with the pies? Oh, I thought it was the pizzas. 자, so when should you use Java over C++? 일단은 apps. 피자 파이야? okay. 자, we have modding for Minecraft. Pizza is pie? Never? 마인크래프트 서버를 운영하기 위해서 자바를 쓰고 지금 여러분 질문이 온 게 자바를 왜 C++보다 자바를 쓸 때 언제냐 질문이 왔거든요. When you're lazy about managing memory and don't care about startup time. Don't care about time or memory. Memory or time 신경 안 쓸 때나 time go bye bye. Don't care. 그 다음에 when client tells you. 그치, 얼마나 중요해. Client tells you to, then you do it. You shut up and do it. And never. Oh, pizza equals pie? Really? Hi, guy from Switzerland. Time is always limited. Yeah, that's true. 자, so does this answer your question, Mr. Xerox? Client tells you so. 자, or when you want to make a scalable and robust app and don't want to waste time looking for memory leaks. So the conclusion that he made was stick to C++. C++.